Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by working non-destructively. Duplicate the background layer and keep the original hidden. Once done, zoom in around the lenses to 200–300% so you can see edges clearly. Next, use the lasso or pen tool to draw a tight selection around the reflection. This isolates the glare so you only edit the affected pixels. Make sure feather is low, 0.1 px, for precision, and save the selection as a channel if you plan to refine it later. Once the selection is active, try Content-Aware Fill first for quick removal. If artifacts appear, switch to Clone Stamp for manual reconstruction. After clearing the glare, create a new layer and sample nearby lens tones with the eyedropper so you match color and luminosity. Paint with a soft brush at 10–30% opacity to rebuild subtle gradients. Use a layer mask to reveal or hide strokes, and change blending modes, normal or color, to preserve catchlights and maintain realistic lens depth. To finish, make sure the repaired area matches lens sharpness. Apply a tiny Gaussian blur, around 0.5 px, or sharpen selectively if needed. Add a 50% gray layer set to overlay and use dodge/burn to restore natural highlights and shadows without destroying color. Once complete, zoom out and toggle the repair layer to compare. If you still notice remnants, refine the layer mask edges and resample nearby pixels to retouch transitions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.